It's got fuel and brake lines. Gonna need those. 2,800 bucks. 32 grand. $10,000 right here. 22,500. Woo. Yep, that does it for me. Yo, what's up, guys? We're back at it. I told you we were gonna look at some more 240SXs. Car that's near and dear to my heart. We're actually going to be looking at the S14 kouki 240SXs today. Alright, well, hopefully we'll all learn a little something today and we see some cool cars. We're going to start this off with a banger. We got a video of S14, JDM S14. This looks like it's a Silvia right-hand drive. I read the description a little bit, spoiler alert. And he's doing a dyno pull, so let's hear it. Good sounding car, beautiful. Yes, sir. Yeah, that thing is awesome. So this is 22,500. This is over in Florida. SR20 engine, very nice. It's running about 325 horsepower, 14 PSI. That's pretty good, dude. That's 14 PSI, ain't nothing on that. GK Tech, bunch of stuff, bunch of parts. Very good looking S14 kouki. I always wanted one of these S14s. Definitely the kouki. It looks tough, dude. It looks like about to bench press an S13. That's what it looks like. It's got the nice wing. This is the JDM special right here. Too bad it has a backseat delete, but whatever. I mean, it just kind of takes away from a little bit of the completeness. A little door panel delete too. That's unfortunate. So I think this is going to be the deal of the day. $22,500. SR20 right-hand drive. GT2871 turbo, making 323 horsepower on 14 pounds of boost. Not bad, boys and girls. Not bad. So that's what you can get. This thing is $22,000. And here we're going to step down the price range a little bit. Make sure you're drinking coffee for this one. So it's $10,000 right here. It looks like it's missing some parts. We got an RB25 under there. And it looks like the rest of the parts are inside the car. Yeah, this is going to be a you put it together special, it looks like. A lot of stuff going on under the hood, not all good. That's about all we get for pictures. I don't think this thing is running. Needs an ECU, needs a tune. You know how that goes, needs a tune. And the fuel tank prices for, well, for $10,000 you get an S14 kouki, okay, and an RB25, okay. As long as the engine's good, this is actually a pretty good deal too. You got to put it together. You got to be able to turn a wrench and put it together. But if all the parts are there and you just got to do the work, for 10 grand, this could actually be solid because, gosh, RB25 swaps are expensive now. But that depends if it's not blown up and he's selling you a dream. Here we go, S14 kouki, 32 grand. Woo! This is another right-hand drive. So we got two right-hand drives on this one. Two right-hand drives. This is over in Florida, on the east coast of Florida, and not too far from me. SR20, manual 5-speed, clean title, no low ballers. Okay, nice, 32 grand. I hate that color for $32,000, just FYI. All the things, it's got all the things. 341 horsepower. See, so this first one is 98. For one, it's a true kouki, because I think it's only like 97 and up was the kouki. This is going to be a kouki conversion, if I'm remembering my 240s correctly. Looks beautiful under the hood. It even has a radiator fan strap. Very nice, very clean. White, black, and green for 32 grand. Makes 341 horsepower. Here's just a shell. This is what we get for a shell of a kouki. 2,800 bucks. Does not come with that C-bond carbon fiber hood. Sell it for $1,000. That makes, those things are like $1,000. So if it was coming with that, that would be a super good deal. But there you go. It's got lights. It doesn't have fenders. Dash was sold. Jesus, dude. No dash, no carpet, no seats, no door panel. This thing was parted out. It's almost a shame. Why did you just tear it down so bad? For 2,800 bucks, I don't know. I'm not that hard up for an S14. All right, guys, we're gonna pick. My pick for today is this one, $22,000. Seems like a really good deal, especially considering that this one's $32,000, and I'd say it's very similar, except it looks a lot worse. This is the pick today for sure. 22 grand, dude, if you'd be rolling down the block in that, that would be sick. Yeah, that's the deal. Someone go buy this. This is over in Lake Placid, Florida. that does it for me. Yeah, that's the winner of the S14 battle today. All right, guys, join me next time. We're gonna look at some S13s. I found a drift car, Pro Spec drift car, S13 for sale. Guess how much it is? I'll see you over there. Peace.